What's up, lipstick gang? This is your girl Victoria Lowe, and I am back with another video, which means another color. It is officially the fall autumn season, my favorite time of year, and I'm coming at you with this beautiful deep dark brown lipstick. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But first things first, you already know what to do. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell just so you can stay in the loop, and also connect with me on Instagram at Very_Veelo. This brown, you guys, is so timely for this season. Let's get right into it. First things first, you know I'm gonna go in with my world famous lipstick base. Yes, it's a Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base, and I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of it. When it came to thinking of videos that I could create for the fall season or lipstick colors that are in season right now, the first thing I could think of was this color. This is actually one of the colors that is a part of my lipstick line, one of the original colors that I came up with, and it goes by the name of Denver. It is a brown lipstick with red undertones that can be worn in the day and in the night. It is considered kind of neutral, so it's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful to release with your fall collection or in your lipstick collection in general. It is truly a timeless color. So first things first, I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the titanium dioxide. This white is going to act as my canvas. You guys should already know by now that I like to add the white first, just so that we can see where the color goes and how the color is created, to see everything come together collectively with the white first. And also, I want to also say that this white is the hardest pigment to mix, so mixing it first eliminates the headache of the clouds that may appear. It eliminates the headache of the streaks. So you always want to mix your white in first. And now for the start of the show, I'm going in with a 1/2 teaspoon of the brown oxide, and you're going to see how it mixes against this white. You guys may or may not already know that the brown oxide is a very dark pigment, so the white is going to brighten things up as well as give us that amazing color payoff that we need once our lipstick is finished. So I'm just mixing this very well, and I like to mash, mix, scrape the sides of the bowl, and basically just repeat those steps until everything is mixed together. So now it's time to add the warmth, and I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the FD&C Red 40 Lake Dye. Everything that I use, you guys, I want to add, it is approved by the FDA. I get those questions a lot. Is this approved by the FDA? I would never come on here and use anything that's not FDA approved in the United States. I'm going to say that. In the United States, because each country is different, but I wouldn't use anything that's not FDA approved because I don't want to confuse anyone, and not only that, I just want to stay in compliance. So yes, it is FDA approved. I did get this pigment from tkbtrading.com. They have all of the alum lakes available, but you know, even on their website it says if it's approved for the eyes, the lips, and the face, and it also indicates which country that it is approved in. So that's just a little tip that I wanted to throw in as I mix this red. So right now I'm going in with a swatch before the Isododecane remix just to check for progress, and this is where we are, and it's good, but you know, we're not done. So off camera, you guys, my camera shut off and I added a teaspoon of the ISO remix. Very, very, very important. I also added 1/2 teaspoon of the brown Oxide, which you see my bowl is empty. And now I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the FD&C Red number 40 Lake. You guys, it is so important that you add your teaspoon of Isododecane remix. It makes a difference in adhesion, and it makes a difference in the color payoff and also the drying power. Because of my natural approach, my lipstick is free of a lot of harsh chemicals. So if you guys are looking for a lipstick that is just gonna go on and dry and crack your lips, that is not what my product is. That's not what I personally had in mind when making this lipstick or creating lipsticks in general. What it is going to do is it's going to eventually dry to a matte finish, taking away the shine, and it's going to also leave your lips moisturized. So it's more of a moisture matte. I don't want to make any false claims and give you guys any false hope, but this is a natural base lipstick. It is vegan. I get asked that a lot as well, and it is basically a very wholesome lipstick. You know, we can make lipstick, make it simple, get to the point, and be happy. So that's what it is. Alright, so I'm going in with the swatch check to check our progress after the ISO remix has been added, as well as the color additives, and I must say I am very pleased. The difference between the two, the one before and this one, the shine is completely gone, as well as the adhesion is much better. So now I'm going in to give our product more depth, and I'm going in with the 1/8 of a teaspoon of the black oxide. If you don't have a teaspoon in the 1/8 measure, you can actually half a 1/4 of a teaspoon to get an 1/8 of a teaspoon. And you guys don't want to use too much black because it would defeat the purpose of the white that we added, and it would make your lipstick a little too dark. But if that's what you're going for, that's absolutely fine. But my target color here is more of a nice warm brown. I do want it to still appear brown, even though I added a little bit more depth. So now I'm going in with the last swatch, check for progress, and you see the first two, and now we're going in with the third one after we have added the black. And I'm going to show you guys in just a second how much more depth it has than the first two. And I am actually very pleased, and that's where I'm going to stop. So right now I'm just filling my bottle. I drew up the syringe. You can also load the syringe from the back. I have videos showing you how to do that as well, but I've noticed in my recent attempts to make lipstick that I can just draw it up from the front like medicine and just put it in the bottle. Now you can also use a pipette at the end of the syringe, but you don't have to. You can just gently tap the bottle after you fill. So you can fill and then tap, and then fill and then gently tap, and all of the contents will go to the bottom and level themselves out. So it's really simple, you guys. You don't have to overcomplicate it, but if you want to use a piping tip, that's absolutely up to you. A lot of people do, but I just wanted to simplify it a bit. So yes, I'm just leveling out my product in my bottle. Once everything is leveled out, you can add your stopper as well as your doe foot wand and twist your wand on, and just like that, we have created another lipstick. I got these bottles from eBay. These are some cute boutique looking bottles. I don't really have to add a lot of labeling and all of that because the bottle speaks for itself. I'll be sure to link them in the description box below, but there you have it. We have this beautiful brown warm fall color. It is absolutely stunning. I love it, and I cannot wait to wear it more often. This will be my fall go-to color personally. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you always so much for watching. I love you. Your support has been more than amazing, and I appreciate you. Happy fall, y'all. Stay blessed.